Welcome to the Unisyn video on navigating Portal. Portal allows you to use your Unisyn username and password to access all other company tools and systems that you may have access to do your job. Your screen may look different than mine based on the configuration of your organization, but on the right corner of my screen on the bottom, I will click on the More icon. This will bring me to my additional features available, and I will click on Portal. Portal allows me to access the tools or systems that my company has given me access to for my job. But rather than logging into other systems using other apps, different websites, or other user interfaces, I can access them right within Unisyn. Those systems may include payroll, scheduling, HR, or a variety of other systems that may be useful for your job. In this example, I have access to Workday, UKG, and ADP. While I am not currently set up as a user for any of those systems, if I were, I would click on Workday, for example, and it would open up the Workday application right within Unisyn. This simplifies your work life and allows you to access everything quickly in one place. Once you have logged into your system or tool like Workday the first time, it will continue to allow you to remain logged in unless that tool or system requires you to change your password at a certain frequency, during which time you would have to enter in that username and password once again. This concludes navigating Portal in Unisyn.